All right, let's have a conversation about portability. So, sometimes I get clients who, say, Leo, guess what, baby? I don't need life insurance. And I say, why not? Well, I got life insurance through my job. I say, okay, the question I always ask a client who says who tells me that they have life insurance through their job, you know what I ask them? I say, is it portable? Is your life insurance on your job? Is it portable? They say, what do you mean? Well, in the event that you get fired, God forbid, if you get fired, if you retire, or if you quit, will you be able to take that life insurance policy with you? They say, I don't know. More than likely, they can. And in some cases, if they can, if it is portable, what's going to end up happening is your premium that you're paying each month on that policy that's with your employer is going to go up significantly. See, the thing is, employers, they can buy life insurance policies on everybody. It's called a certificate, where they can get, life insurance certificates on everybody. Okay. And what ends up happening is the employer is paying most of the premium and you're paying as an employee a small percentage. But if you're not an employee with that employer anymore, what's going to end up happening is your premium is going to go up significantly. So if you have a $20 a month premium, let's think about $120. Yes, it's going to go up significantly like that. Okay, that's anecdotal. But the thing is, your premium, if it's portable, if your policy is portable, it's going to go up significantly in the event that you get fired, in the event that you retire, in the event that you quit. So I always tell my clients, it's really in your best interest to always have a standalone policy, because you would hate for one of those situations to happen, right? Now you're no longer covered. What happens if you pass away between the point that you're fired, retired, or quit and trying to get coverage? You're going to put your family in a financial burden. Your family may not have, the necessary resources, that they need. Okay, if you're the primary breadwinner and you're the one who's literally bringing in most of the money, and you don't have an outside policy outside of your job, you're putting your family in a very, very, financial stressful situation. All right. What else? Oh, also, I want you guys to consider this. Because I don't think a lot of people consider this. When it comes to life insurance, employers don't have to give you that legally. It's a benefit. It's a nice benefit. If you do work for a company where they're, actually offering all of their employees life insurance as an option, as a benefit, then I say, baby, take it. But at the end of the day, you realize that if businesses have to downsize, or if businesses have to, realize that, hey, we have to save money because we may be not making enough profit, what should we downsize in? Baby, if they don't have to give it to you legally, they can definitely take life insurance away as an option and not be in any kind of legal, repercussions. They're not going to experience any legal repercussions to make sure that their business is going to stay afloat by taking benefits away from you. You need to consider that. And with the corona, with the pandemic going on, not only are businesses furloughing people, not only are businesses, not only are they laying people off, but in order to save their business, they're going to say, a lot of them say, you know what, some of these benefits that we're giving our employees, just to make sure that we stay afloat, we may have to take some of these benefits away. Okay, listen, I'm telling you, this is just the reality. You need to consider this. Have yourself a standalone policy if your only life insurance is through your job. Okay, this is very, very important. So if you come to me as a client and you say to me, you know what, baby Leo, I'm good. I thought I needed life insurance, but I got insurance through my job. My question to you is it portable? Okay, it is portable. Okay. Are you comfortable with the idea of your premium going up significantly in the event that you pass away, or in the event that you perhaps unfortunately get fired, God forbid, in the event that you quit, or in the event that you retire? Could you imagine working on a job for 30, 40, or 50 years? Check this out. 30, 40, or 50 years, you've been paying on your life insurance policy for the whole time, and then you retire. And then you realize you can't take that insurance with you. Now guess what's going to happen? Guess what's going to happen now? Now you're not covered. Not only are you not covered, but now you may have some pre-existing conditions. Maybe now you have high blood pressure. Maybe now you've developed a case of diabetes. Maybe now you have something that's going to not allow for you to get coverage anymore. You're older. You're retired. and you have all of these medical conditions that won't allow for you to get coverage anymore. So you've basically been paying on this policy for this amount of time, and you, with your job, with your employer, you're retired, you have no coverage. And now that you want coverage, you can't get it. So I think that, if you're young, if you're at a job and you have life insurance, you need to get a life insurance policy outside of your employer. I'm not saying necessarily give up the life insurance that you have with your employer, but what I am saying is that you always need to have a standalone policy. You cannot rely on your employer when it comes to having a life insurance policy, okay? So, if you come to me and tell me that you have life insurance through your job, once again, what am I going to ask you? Is it portable? Are you willing to not have coverage if in the event you get fired, you quit, or you retire, okay? Share this message with a friend. Tag some people in this message, because a lot of people think that just because they have life insurance with their job that they're protected. But baby, you may put your family in a financial position. You may put yourself in a financial bind if you don't take this lesson to heart. If you would like to get life insurance as an option outside of your employer because you don't want to go through the risk, then hit me up. Click the link in my bio to schedule a consultation with me, and I will definitely let you know, make you aware of your options, okay? You want to make sure that you are financially prepared. Make sure that you get your affairs in order, okay? Like and share this message and tag a friend, family member, or somebody important who can use this message and take it to heart and get the coverage that they need to protect themselves and their families. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.